My name is Michael May. I come from Oklahoma in the United States of America. I moved here to Jingdezhen 1 year ago. I moved here because Jingdezhen is known for ceramic pottery and ceramic arts, so I think it's a good idea to try to come here to start my business. I never really liked it very much actually before. I didn't find it interesting, but then once I started to learn 3D printing and how the machine works, I became more interested into it. I really think about my design and I sketch my design like in computer, animate my design, and I really try to figure out how to make it more functional and how the user use it more freely and comfortably. With my machines, I also want to not get rid of traditional ideas or traditional designs or anything. I want to somehow maybe incorporate them as well. In Jingdezhen we have the blue and white, so finding a way to mix the blue cobalt pigment with the clay, so as it prints you can get interesting textures, to further adapt it to my machines and always try to keep the traditional feeling with my works.